and the rope. It's C, perfect, grabbing the early lead, followed by My Wife Knows All, and classic play. The mid-back stretch, it's C, perfect, leading the field by 2.5 lengths, followed by My Wife Knows All, and classic play on the outside. Rounding the far turn, it's C, perfect by a length and a half, followed by My Wife Knows All, and classic play remains in third. And the last bend for home, it is still the favorite. It's She Perfect, lengthening now by 3.5 lengths, followed by My Wife Knows All, and classic play now moving up on the outside to take second. And into the home stretch, it's She Perfect, leading the field, followed by classic play on the outside. It's C Perfect in the lead, followed by classic play on the outside, and My Wife Knows All by the rail. And nearing the payoff line, it's C Perfect by 2.5 lengths, followed by classic play on the outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's She Perfect, classic play, My Wife Knows All.
Okay, 4-3-2 ang ating unofficial order of arrival. Crossing the wire first, top choice, entry number 4. It's She